What's good with it, everybody? BeybladeD back on YouTube with a brand new YouTube video, and today I have Vise Leopard going up against Archer Hercules, aka Archie. Don't know where the H came from, but I wanted to do this battle because purely because both of these Beyblades have layer gimmicks. As you can see, both of these Beyblades have layer gimmicks. And I truly love that about the Beyblade. I truly love that about Beyblades. If any gimmick is my favorite, and if I love anything about the Beyblade Burst series in whole, it's the layer gimmicks, because they just be astounding. Now, I did put the A1 chassis disc on Vise Leopard solely because it's a lot better than the disc that he came with. So we're gonna be doing the 10-point series. We're gonna be doing the 10-point system, as you already know. And without further ado, let's get this. But before I start this video, or before I start getting them to battle, make sure to drop a like and hit that subscribe button with that bell notification too. And go check out my Discord. It will be in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's get it. 3, 2, 1, go. Now, Vise Leopard is a formidable foe, so Archer Hercules is gonna have a rough time. Ooh, Archer Hercules got lucky with that one. Archer Hercules got real lucky with that one. But now that's 1-0. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Jesus, Vise Leopard is not holding back with them hits. Oh, that was a tie. So it looks like nobody gets that point. So we're just gonna move on to the next round. I did not expect a draw between these two. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and Vise Leopard takes that one, making it 1-1. So at first I was kind of worried, like, is Vise Leopard gonna win this? Because like Archer Hercules is stamina type, and Archer Hercules probably be able to outspam as he's done already. But Vise Leopard just showed me that there ain't no need to worry. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, take two. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so it looks like Archer Hercules is trying to meet him up. Oh, that scrape is what got him. Now that is 2-1. Scrape got him. Scrape got him, boys. Scrape got him. 3, 2, 1, go. That boy into action. Whoa. Looks like it's a stamina battle now. I don't know how this is gonna play out. Well, looks like Vise Leopard is about to lose. What? Vise Leopard took that one. Oh my lord! And I was thinking that Vise Leopard was about to lose. I was thinking that Vise Leopard was really about to lose, because it was looking like he was about to be down for the count. That just was not that just was not it. Now it's 2-2. 3, 2, 1, goes. Which is good for Archer Hercules and not really so good for. What was that? I don't know if y'all could tell, but Vise Leopard just kind of like stopped himself like right around here. It changed course. Oh, I think there's going to be another stamina battle. Okay, and it looks like Archer Hercules lost that, making it now 3-2 with Vise Leopard in the league. Okay, well, Vise Leopard went from losing to being ahead. Let's see if we can keep that up. 3, 2, 1, go. Go ahead and get him, Vise Leopard. Looks like Vise Leopard took that by stamina finish, making it 4-2. Now Vise Leopard is up on Archer Hercules by 2 points. 3, 2, 1, goes. Ooh, that was a hard hit. That was a hard hit. Looks like it didn't do him that much good, though. Yep, looks like it didn't do him much good. Considering the Vise Leopard was still kicking. 5-2. Okay, next round. Like, no cap, though? That was a powerful hit. I do not know Archer Hercules' stamina is on. Now that it's 6-2, Archer Hercules can be bad. 3, 2, 1, goes. Archer Hercules. Oh. Okay, there you go. Alright. Bro, how is Archer Hercules losing from a stamina loss though? Bro, this isn't looking too good. Archer Hercules is losing stamina wise. That makes me almost want to cry. Cause like, come on now, it's Archer Hercules. Now I know it's not his original performance that probably had his original when he won, but otherwise that ain't seeming like the answer. 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like it's going to be another stamina battle. Okay, so now only time will tell. It looks like, yeah, it looks like Vise Leopard is about to lose this one, and he did. Okay. Now that is 3-7. Jesus. 3, 2, 1, goes. Take 2. 3, 2, 1, goes. Looks like it's just a barrage of clashes at this point. Oh, and it was a sleep out, making that 8-3. 3, 2, 1, goes. That was a dodge. Oh my god, I don't know what it is, but it seems like there's just something about Vise Leopard that's just draining all of Archer Hercules' stamina, because now it is freaking 9-3. Jesus, he has 6 more points on him. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, he trying to put on the show for which most likely will be the last battle. But we just gotta see this one through. And it was, making that 10-3. So the winner is Vise Leopard. I just and then let me just admire the colors. I truly love this red and blue. Gives me like that Spider-Man type vibe. And then this purple with it. I don't know about the color of this, but besides that, this is really pretty. But if you like my videos and you want to see more, and even if you want to give me requests, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit it. Don't be shy. It's free. Go ahead. Until next time, though. Later, Bladers.